For this workout, you're going to need a fitness mat. Welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remmy. Today we are on day 21, and on day 21 we are going to work our core. My name is Remmy. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do at home or anywhere else. Workouts you can do from the comfort of your home. So if you happen to enjoy this workout, give it a thumbs up and share with one or two friends. The heat timer we are going to be using for this workout will be 40 seconds on, and then rest 20 seconds, and then we'll move on to the next exercise. So let's get right into our workout. So this is the modification.
Check the mic and make sure it sounds right, boys.
This is the modified version. If you're a beginner, do the plank on your knees, or you can start with the full plank, and then when you feel, before the timer ends, you feel like you're tired, you put your knees down, you keep the core contracted, push your upper back up, core tight, keep the core tight. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to, each time we go on the other side, we lift the arm, we switch,
It sound right,
put
boys.
the hand up, we switch, put the hand up. Core tight. Next exercise, sit down, alright, where each time we're going to be raising one leg, like this, we'll put it down, we'll go, we
It
raise it,
sound right,
we
boys.
raise the other hand, leg, let's go. So as you come up, you raise the hand, the leg, core tight, and keep the chin looking up at the ceiling.
It sound right, boy.
Beautiful. Next one, put your hands below your buttocks for the back support. And now we're going to do bicycle. Let's go. Lift your leg from the mat. Core tight. Control the movement. Look at the ceiling. Beautiful. Next exercise, you keep your thighs here, and then you're just doing upper body crunch. So you're coming up, if the tip of your fingers are touching the knees, you go back down slowly. Exhale at the top of the movement. Now put your hands down, palms facing down, and lift your legs 90 degrees here, and then let them fall on the other side, and then you come back and go on the other side. Next one, we do kick back, and then we bring the legs, we push things to heaven. Reverse crunch. Just by lifting your hip from the ground a little bit, it's enough. Or even by just picking up the difference, lift your hip from the ground. Beautiful. Let's get up. Now we're going to do plank walk modification. Next one, we stay on the ground, we stretch the abs. We are going to down to the cobra. First we will go halfway, like this, and push up. And now, after 20 seconds, we're going to switch again. Put our palms down. Let's do it like this for more stretching in the elbows. Beautiful. Still have 2 rounds. Now we're going to double crunch. So double crunch, if you can't do double crunch, you can do single leg alternately. Core tight and keep the chin Looking up. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to do just crunches, classic crunches. Shoulders touch the ground and then you contract. Let's go. I'm inhaling when I go down and exhaling when I'm coming up. Alright guys, so thank you for choosing to spend your time with me, and we did it. Every workout is progress to healthy lifestyle, power pose, seated power pose, and yes, we did it. Bye bye guys.